Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Angeline Ragos Gulay. I'm 39 years old, married with 3 children, ages 20 years old daughter, and 19 and 16 years old son. I'm living at the Matusalem Rojas Isabela, and I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and I am the eldest child of our family. I'm a college level. I took a computer programming in computer science and technology, and even I have took a nursing aid in IMS International, Singapore.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have been working in Singapore for past 6 years. To a couple with 2 children, 7 years old and newborn. I do the all course like cleaning, ironing, laundry, and car washing. And my main work is to taking care of the children. And even I have experience in UAE, which is I only take care of elder. And my main job there is only for cooking.
Okay.
And even I have also experience in Jordan, working with a 5-member family and taking care of children aged 12, 8, and 4 years old. I also do the household cleaning, household for cleaning like laundry, cooking, and taking care of the kids.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
Well, I secure the kids especially and always checking the temperature. And if the children was sick, I immediately inform my madam and call them.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Well, I am a responsible, trustworthy, and honest person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Don't have, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir, I'm not.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Well, I want to work abroad to provide and help, gives my children all they need, and also to save a financial stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children? If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
Oh, my husband will take care of my children, my mother, and even my mother-in-law.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Well, I get busy to my work and focus for my work, and to remind myself that I have to do this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. once my work is done, and also wake up in 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, I am.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Well, I have patiently and calm myself to deal with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Sure, sir, why not?
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help in the housework there?
Yes, sir, I'm initiative to help people.
Can you promise not to rent van in Hong Kong?
Yes, I will promise, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir, because I also have dog and cats at home.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir, why not?
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I will promise not to use my phone during my work to fulfill my responsibility.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, I will promise to finish my contract. If it's needed, I will extend.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, I can cook.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I have. I can sing like Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 2 bags full. And Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope that you are select me as your future helper, and I'm responsible, trustworthy, and honest person, and I will promise that I will serve your family with all my heart, and I'll do all my best. Thank you very much.